So, Arpita, tell me, you've been cooking this way for, what would you say, 4 years maybe? Do you think maybe longer? What do you think?
It's been 3 years, I believe.
3 years, so maybe a year before COVID hit?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, what do you like about it?
Everything. So I have pretty much replaced all my cookware.
Okay.
Every time I do home cooking, it is in Salad Master.
Yeah.
And even though because of Indian dishes, there's a lot of spices and a lot of vegetables involved.
Yeah.
But I never smell anything foul. Every bit of spice, every bit of masala is basically infused in the flavor.
Awesome.
I exactly know, even if when I'm making, for example, like chicken curry,
Yeah.
I just know exactly when chicken is ready because it starts making that noise.
Right.
I have even given away my Instant Pot. So
Yeah.
rice cooker is fantastic. I just wash the rice, drop it. It does its job.
Yeah.
All the other pots and pans. And the recent purchase of the tawa, which is the flatbread pan, and oh my god, the paranthas and the rotis are just awesome. Usually, I switch between the iron pan, the cast iron pan, and this one, and I would swear the Salad Master tawa makes the best parantha.
Is it the flavor?
It's the flavor as well as it doesn't stick. And it's just easy. I basically once the one end is already warm, I just flip it.
Yeah.
And in 2 minutes the other one. So basically I get always the perfect parantha and roti.
Awesome.
And traditional Indian dishes in North India like aloo gobi, jeera aloo, which has a lot of greens.
Okay.
I think I get all the flavor. Like I have never felt and I tried to make dal makhani the other day, which is like a very traditional North Indian lentil soup. I had it from the restaurant and I made my own. And I could swear I'm going to eat Salad Master for the rest of my life as long as I'm cooking. I wish I had more money to buy like more, but whatever I have, the pots and pans, the church pan, the tawa, and the rice cooker, it has, and it's, the cooking is like
faster,
super,
right?
Yeah.
Faster. Do you like that you don't have to use oil if you don't want to?
Yes. Although, again, it's a part of Indian cooking. I use a ton of oil.
Sure, you can.
But there have been times where I have forgotten. So sometimes when I'm making curries, the cumin and the mustard seeds go first.
Yeah.
And they usually pop even without the oil.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I love Indian food so much. You know what I'd love to do? Come sometime when you and I both have time. I would love to watch you cook some recipes so I can get some more Indian recipes.
Yeah.
I love, and I can sample it too.
Actually, I cooked saag chicken, which is basically spinach and chicken. And it was a one-pot dish.
Right.
Turned out to be perfect.
Awesome. I'm so glad you're happy with it.
Yeah. I think this is... Usually I don't allude to expensive products, but this is totally worth it.
Yeah.
Because I know for the rest of my life I'm eating healthy.
Exactly.
And I'm cooking healthy, and all the flavors are getting together instead of like losing any nutrients. So I'm very happy with that.
Awesome. That's the best. And you know it pays for itself anyhow, right?
I think it already has. Like we are healthy, so obviously less visits to doctor, less medicine. And of course, who doesn't want to be healthy?
Hurry up, Mommy.
And I'll pass this on when he is older and gets married. Maybe I'll gift him a Salad Master.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, Arpita, for taking time to share. So let's go cook for your friends.
Okay, sounds good.